In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for Vudu. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Amazon.com. And now once we're here, type in the search bar Vudu gift cards, Vudu e-gift cards, and hit enter. And here we go here on the top search results, Vudu Fandigo e-gift card. Go ahead and click onto that. And now once you're here, we need to scroll down and we got delivery required. So you got email or text message. So choose either or, and then put a recipient in the email address. So for example, I want to send it to myself. I'm going to put in tutorial is. You can also add a gift message as well. And you can choose when you want this to be delivered. So you can deliver it now, or you can deliver it at a later date. And with the delivery happens anytime after 12 a.m. on the select day.